Phew, good stopping, Rocket.
Ooh, it's dark in here. Listen to that sound. Tick-tock, 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 tick-tock.
We must be inside something. What goes tick-tock, tick-tock? Yes, a clock!
We're inside a cuckoo clock. Oh, no! How will we get out of here?
Look, there's a door way over there. That must be the way out.
But there are giant turning gears in our way.
The gears keep blocking Rocket.
What are we going to do?
I have an idea. Listen. The gears are turning on the beat. If Rocket flies to the beat, we can get through the gears. Will you help us fly through the gears? Great! Clap to the beat like this. Tick-tock, tick-tock.
Yay! Excellent!
Uh-oh, there are even more gears turning. Keep clapping.
Tick-tock, tick-tock.
We're making it through all the gears.
Look, there's the door.
We're almost out. Keep clapping to the beat.
Tick-tock, tick-tock, tick-tock.
We did it!
Hooray! Splendid!
Way to clap to the beat.